What if I told you that the dream home you've been imagining, luxurious, efficient, built to last, could be yours for a fraction of the price? Not only that, but it could be assembled faster than you'd believe. Too good to be true, right? Think again, because the solution is already here. Welcome to the world of modular homes, the future of home ownership that smart, financially savvy people like you are already discovering. Let's face it, buying a home is one of the most significant financial decisions you'll ever make. But with housing prices skyrocketing, most people are left wondering, how can I own a quality home without draining my bank account? That's where modular homes come in. No, we're not talking about something you can fold up and take with you like a tent at a music festival. Modular homes are an increasingly popular option for those who value both quality and savings. Built off-site in state-of-the-art factories, they're assembled to precise standards and transported to your lot in sections. Like putting together a giant Lego set. And believe me, it's more fun than it sounds. But here's what really sets modular homes apart. And it's not just the speed or convenience. It's the untapped potential for financial freedom. Now let's talk numbers, because that's where things get really interesting. Imagine cutting your construction time in half. No delays due to weather, no stolen materials from the job site, and definitely no waiting on a subcontractor who's mysteriously running late for the third time this week. Anyone else feeling a little déjà vu with that last one? Modular homes don't face those slowdowns because everything is built in a controlled environment. This means you get your home faster and cheaper by up to 15 to 20% compared to traditional homes. And let's be honest, who doesn't want to save thousands while still getting the home of their dreams? But here's where the excitement turns to urgency. Those savings don't last forever. With housing markets fluctuating and demand for modular homes rising, prices are bound to increase. You'll want to jump on this opportunity before everyone else realizes what they're missing. And as for quality, let's just say modular homes don't just match traditional homes. They beat them. In fact, modular homes are built stronger than stick-built homes. Don't just take my word for it. Look at the data. During Hurricane Andrew in 1992, modular homes outperformed traditional homes, surviving the brutal winds with minimal damage. That's because they're designed with 20 to 30% more materials to withstand the journey from the factory to your lot. Essentially, these homes are tough. Tougher than your morning workout? Definitely. And when you consider the increasing frequency of extreme weather events, having a home built to endure nature's worst is no longer just a nice to have, it's a necessity. Plus, modular homes are adaptable. Whether you live in a hot desert or a cold mountain region, these homes can be customized to suit any environment. That's the kind of flexibility we all want, right? But there's one more thing you should know before making your decision. You've seen the financial benefits, the strength, and the adaptability of modular homes. But let's bring it all together. Why are modular homes really the smarter choice? Because they give you everything a traditional home offers, and more at a better price, in less time, and with more control over the process. Modular homes are the future of home ownership, and that future is already here. The only question left is, are you ready to make the smartest investment of your life? And if you're considering your next steps, don't forget, there's one critical thing to avoid when buying a home. Click on the next video for home buying mistakes that could save you even more in the long run. See you there.